In a survival situation, your vehicle could be your lifeline. Whether you're evacuating during a natural disaster or living off the grid, having a reliable, adaptable vehicle is crucial. But what if you're on a budget? Today, we'll dive into practical advice for choosing affordable survival vehicles and the key upgrades that will make them ready for anything. When disaster strikes, mobility is everything. Your vehicle isn't just transportation, it can be your shelter, your supply hauler, and your means of escaping dangerous situations. But you don't need to break the bank to have a reliable survival vehicle. The right modifications can turn an affordable, everyday vehicle into a survival powerhouse. If you're working within a tight budget, start with reliable, tough vehicles that already have off-road capability. Look at trucks and SUVs with a history of dependability. Models like the Toyota Tacoma or Ford Ranger are great options. They're durable, have good aftermarket support, and are known for their reliability. Another affordable option is the Jeep Cherokee. It's versatile and has excellent off-road handling, making it a strong choice for preppers. For those who need something larger, older model SUVs like the Ford Explorer or Chevrolet Suburban can offer lots of storage and can be bought used for a good price. Now let's talk about how to make these vehicles survival ready. There are key modifications that can dramatically improve the off-road performance and utility of any vehicle. First, invest in quality all-terrain or mud-terrain tires. These will give you traction in rough conditions, from muddy backroads to snow-covered terrain. For those driving off-road, upgrading the suspension is essential. This ensures your vehicle can handle rough terrain without getting damaged. Protecting the underside of your vehicle from rocks and debris with skid plates is a must. Even a simple obstacle could cause serious damage to your fuel tank or engine if not properly guarded. In a survival situation, storage is key. A roof rack adds space for hauling extra supplies, water, and fuel cans. Inside, consider installing storage drawers or a cargo barrier to organize essential items. Having additional lights, like LED bars, can make a world of difference when driving at night or in low visibility conditions. In survival scenarios, fuel is a limited resource. Choosing a vehicle with decent fuel efficiency is crucial for long-term sustainability. Stick to models that are known for fuel economy, especially if you plan on driving long distances. It's also important to consider the vehicle's ease of maintenance. Stick to common models that have easy-to-find parts. If you break down in the middle of nowhere, you want to make sure you can repair your vehicle without needing specialized tools or parts. Before you make your final decision, make sure you test drive your vehicle on rough terrain and under conditions similar to what you expect in a survival situation. Always carry extra fuel, tools, and a spare tire. And remember, the best vehicle is one that you know how to maintain and repair yourself. No matter your budget, you can turn an affordable vehicle into a survivalist machine with the right upgrades. Take time to choose a vehicle that fits your needs, and invest in essential modifications to ensure you're prepared for anything. Stay safe and stay prepared.